Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to talk about the Rest in Pieces mausoleum and this one character in particular. I notice a lot of people will have problems where he won't go back in correctly, and this is the reason why. So it has a set of gears underneath that will push him out, and then his raising mechanism is linked to that. But then when it goes back in, there's these two tiny little neodymium magnets that are responsible for trying to hold the main drawer out until he's all the way back in, and then it will release the magnets. However, the grease can sometimes loosen the magnet's glue and make them pop off. And so I just had to re-glue both of the magnets actually. And I'll go ahead and power this piece on just so you can see. The glue that I used is Rapid Fuse. This works really well for pretty much any Lemax piece if you're trying to fix any parts of it that might be broken. So there you can see the magnets latch, and then they're responsible for trying to hold the main drawer out until he comes back in. I'll go ahead and power it off. And it goes through a shutdown cycle. So then you can see again just how the mechanism works. I'm noticing though, since the drawer did already have issues, it doesn't operate quite perfectly. So then it should, that time it went back in correctly. I'm hoping as I have it running again, it'll loosen up and operate how it should. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and be sure to check out the other videos on my channel.